I love this mountain. Every mountain in Pakistan is beautiful. For me, it's my second record. I did 8,150 meters in 2016, and this year I beat the record with 8,400 meters. To beat the record, it's the best place for that because you have a lot of big mountain, and you need big mountain and not too much snow to beat the record, to find thermal and go higher and higher and higher. When I was on takeoff, my feeling was not very good because the weather forecast was not very good, and maybe it's a difficult day for flying. So it's the last day and we have to try, and we try it and we did it. When I beat the record, I think at nothing, just flying. I'm at the best place with a beautiful mountain. I have to fly and I flew, it's perfect moment. I did a lot of mountaineering. I climbed maybe 3 peaks in Pakistan of 8,000 meters. I didn't do the summit, but I go in the mountain. I know very well the mountain, the high mountain. For me, it's difficult to eat in Pakistan because everything is spicy. But I love the toast, but the spicy is difficult, so I taste everything, but I don't eat a lot. I do a lot of paragliding because I be like a bird. I can go everywhere, and when I do that, I like free. I can do everything everywhere, and it's a perfect moment for me. I hope to come back in Pakistan maybe in 2 years, but I will see.